What's going on, everybody? Good evening. My name is Matthew Thayer, guys, aka Matty Pips, guys. Super excited to be here. Real quick, where's everybody calling in from? Type it in the chat, guys. I'm super excited to be here. I'm calling in from Minneapolis, Minnesota. We got about 4 days, guys. We got about 4 days until Dallas. I'm super excited for this event. It's going to be one of my first events in the last 5 years. That I'm going to be able to watch Mr. Marcus Setta, the professional, just go crazy. So I'm so excited, guys, for this event. I'm also excited for tonight. We got a lot of people in here. Holy, we got London, Tucson, Canada, Maryland. We got New Hampshire, Michigan, San Diego, Jamaica, Colombia, New York. So we got people from all over the world. Absolutely insane, guys. For those of you guys that are completely brand new, maybe you're just hopping this, on this call for the very first time. Tonight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically walk through very simply what AKASHX is, how you guys can go ahead and get started. I'm also going to jump in and I'm going to show you guys the scanner Pulse. I'm also going to show you guys how to use that. I'm going to look for some trade setups, guys. This call is recorded, so I will be uploading this to my YouTube channel. I will have Josh also upload this to the AKASHX back office, just so you guys have it, so you guys can use it, and you guys can understand how to utilize AKASHX. Guys, I've also been working on, AKASHX trainings. I've also been working on a full academy of how I trade, how I look at the market, kind of a step-by-step process on how all of that works. So that will be ready here, guys, in the next couple days. I just punched out about 5-6 videos in the last couple hours. So I've been working like crazy over the last, 3-4 hours here with Steve-O. But guys, for those of you that are brand new, though, I've been doing this for about 4 years. Trading wise, I've been in the business for 10 years. Trading, though, for me, it wasn't the fastest to success. Actually, guys, for the first couple months, for the first year, I struggled. I really kind of didn't understand what I was doing. It took a lot of falling and failing on my face and just, understanding that if you do take lessons in the market, or if you do take losses in the market, they're just lessons. You're just learning. You're just learning what you're supposed to do. And it's all a part of the process. So just know, guys, if you are completely brand new and you have absolutely no clue what trading is, that's okay. That's what AKASHX is for. That's what, this community that we're building, guys, is for. It's for the people like yourself that you can be a part of something that's special. You can be a part of something that's going in the right direction, and you guys can actually, see success yourself. So what I'm going to do tonight, guys, is I'm going to share my screen really quick, and then I'm going to run through the AKASHX back office, show you guys a little bit of the ins and outs of the AKASHX back office. And then we're going to pull up the scanner. But if you guys are excited, one more time, go ahead, type 777 in the chat like you just hit the jackpot, and we'll get this call started. So awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right, cool. So guys, right now what you're looking at is you are actually looking at the AKASHX back office. Now, if you guys are on here and you haven't even gotten started yet, you can actually get started with the person that invited you on the call today and have a free trial. We're actually giving out a 7-day free trial, guys, where you have access to everything that this company offers, guys. We're doing that all the way up until the 15th of this month. So you can get back to the person that invited you on this call. They can send you their unique affiliate link. And you can go ahead and get started, like I said, and have access to all of this, guys, for 7 days. But then after the 7 days, yes, you'll have to get started in order to have access. But guys, the AKASHX back office is so simple. It's all centrally located. So for a brand new person like yourself, this is a great place for you to be able to go to actually learn how to trade. So when you open up the AKASHX back office, guys, basically the first things that you'll see is you'll see a video over here to the right-hand side. If you click this video, it's actually a 14-minute video of me going through the whole back office. So you guys can go through that. You guys can basically rewatch what I'm doing right now, just in a little bit quicker of a time frame. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a calendar. Well, guys, this calendar actually lets you know all of the live sessions that are going to happen throughout the day. And it's actually going to automatically change to your time zone. So if you're ever wondering, hey, when's this person going live? When are they going live in my time zone? Well, guys, it'll automatically do that for you. So if you're looking for a specific person, if you're looking for, let's say, me, or if you're looking for, let's say, Ness, you guys can just go through the days here and just see, okay, well, when is this person going to go live? Well, you guys can see here on Tuesday, we have a ton of people that go live all throughout the day. You can see Ness goes live here at 6 p.m. I know a lot of people have been asking that, but yeah, guys, you guys can see right there all of the different times that people go live. And then at the top here, you can see the Academy tab. You can see the Trade Alerts tab. You can see the Live Sessions tab, Market Research, and then Resources. Guys, under the Trade Alerts, you don't have to go to this page in order to see the trades, but you guys can utilize this, maybe to just read some of the information that each trade has. But we do have an app in the Apple Store right now. It's called AKASHX. You can download that right now. All of this information that I'm showing you guys is also all on an app as well on your phone. And, you can take all the trade alerts, guys. You can paste them right into your trading app, or you guys can scroll down here to the MetaTrader Web Trader plugin, and you can actually have a MT4 basically platform, guys, right on your computer. So if you don't have it on your phone, but you still want to be able to trade, guys, with MT4, you can have that right here. It's actually integrated right into our back office. So you can have a demo account if you'd like. You can actually select demo, fill this out, and your demo account will be right on here. You guys, your accounts will also be saved right here under file. You can switch to the different accounts here, guys, that you want. You just have to enter the password and it'll save your accounts. So that's under the trade alerts, guys. So if you're getting the trades and you want to practice those trades, or you want to take the trades, you can either do it on a demo account on MT4. You can also, like I said, have it on your app, on your phone, and then you can just do it to your phone. But that's the trade alerts. My suggestion is to go through the Academy. Guys, we have something from beginner all the way to expert. So we have several different videos that will break down, guys, the basics all the way to the more advanced type of things. But the one thing that I love about this platform is we've made it so, in life, obviously, if you want to be successful, you got to follow people that are successful. If you want to, let's say, be successful in business, you're going to follow people like Bill Gates or, Donald Trump, or, people that are crazy successful in business. You want to, Jeff Bezos was willing to basically give you guys a full academy on how he was able to become successful. Would you not take that? Would you not learn how he was able to do that? If Tiger Woods made an academy on how he was able to become one of the best golfers in the entire world, if Michael Jordan, made an academy about basketball, would you not go watch that? Of course you would, because that's, if you wanted those results, you would follow those people and you would want to take those academies. Well, that's what the Educator Academy is, guys. The Educator Academy is going to walk you through step by step, basically from the very beginning of how they trade to the very advanced things that they look for in the market. And then you guys can apply all of the things that you learn on their actual live sessions. So what's cool about this concept is, let's just say, I wanted to follow, my friend Dwayne. Like I was interested in how Dwayne traded, and I wanted to learn how to trade SMC, which is Smart Money Concepts. What's cool is I can go ahead and I can click Dwayne. I can go through the introduction, setting up TradingView at MT4, understanding Forex and the NASDAQ, understanding the market, understanding candles, risk management. Guys, he walks you through step by step in 10 videos on exactly how to trade like him. Now, what's cool about this, though, is I can actually now go to the live session schedule here, and I can say, okay, well, when's Dwayne actually going to go live? Well, he goes live, let's see, 9 a.m. on Monday. He goes live on Thursday, and he also goes live on Friday. Now that I've gone through his academy, let's go watch him actually take live trades in the market. Now, I'm already going to know what he's going to look for. I'm already going to actually have the same exact mentality as him. So when he's going through the market and he's actually looking for specific trade setups, I might actually see the trade setups before him. And it's just going to give me more confidence that I'm a professional now, and that I'm actually going to be able to have the same exact results now as Dwayne. And that goes for all of the different educators here with AKASHX, guys. I'm going to be creating my academy where you're going to be able to go through an entire academy, guys, of me breaking down how to become a professional binary options trader, guys. I'm going to go through an entire Pulse Academy. I'm going to go through an entire binary options academy, guys. And you guys will be able to utilize that and also hop on all of my live sessions and trade alongside with me. Now, there's session replays, so you'll be able to watch all of your favorite educators, guys. Let's say you miss a session, or maybe let's say you're in the UK and it's at night, but you still want to recap. You still want to, watch what happened the night before. You can select your favorite educator, guys, and it'll show all of their previous recordings that they've done. So pretty simple, very easy, all in one location here for you guys. And then we also have, different market researches, different videos, articles, webinars based on what's going on in the market. We have a crypto calendar, an economic calendar, guys. And then under the resources and tools, we have TradingView. We have the MT4, like I said, plugin that I showed. That the TradingView chart, guys, is right there embedded into your back office. And then we have a bunch of other different tools as well. Now, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for is Pulse. You guys have been waiting for the scanner. You guys have been waiting for, this trading session. And guys, tonight, what I want to do is I just want to walk you through step-by-step on how to successfully use this scanner. So every 5 minutes, new trade setups will come out. Now, not every 5 minutes, there's going to be trade setups. You have to wait until there are. Now, this also works on the 15 minutes, and this also works on the hour. Now, for those of you guys who don't understand what that means, basically, if you're on the hour, guys, that means that if there's a trade setup and it's saying go in for a buy, guys, that's basically saying for the next hour that price should be moving up. Well, if you trade traditional Forex, you can actually still use this strategy, because let's just say, for instance, you guys took this trade right here where it says a sell. It was a 4-point trade, and you wanted to take this sell. Well, look at this, guys. You would have took this sell at looks like 1.56399. This candle went all the way down to 56087. So, that right there is almost, let's see here. That is, I believe, almost a 400 pip move. It's a 400 pip move, guys. For those of you that trade traditional Forex, that's a lot. That's a pretty big move, guys. But every 5 minutes for binary options, guys, new trade signals will come out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait to see when the next one comes out. Now, on your pocket options account, if you guys don't have one yet, let me just log out here real quick. Let me just show you the process on getting an account. So it's so simple. You can say not registered, and all you have to do is click the registration. So you can go to pocketoption.com. You can basically fill in your email, password, confirm your password, and it will actually give you guys a demo account. So you guys can actually use fake money if you'd like, first. And then once you log in, let me just see here. This is what it'll look like. You'll log in here. Let me go to my demo account quick. So you'll have your demo account, looks just like this. Same, looks exactly the same, guys, except for up here, it'll say demo. And I think you start with $1,000 or maybe $10,000 there. And you guys can play around, and you guys can take the same exact trades that I take on this call, but just with fake money. And that way you're learning how it works. You can test out the scanner for yourself. And then once you feel confident, guys, you can basically throw as little as $50 in account, guys, and start, basically taking those trades. Now I'm going to use my real account during this session because I would like to, make some money on the session. We're going to look for some real trades here. And we're going to look for some possible setups. But before I do that, while we wait, what I want to do as well is I want to kind of show you guys, what I particularly like to do before I take any trades. For me, I like to look at the market. I like to basically identify what's going on in the market, and then I'll use the scanner to aid my predictions. So I'm actually going to open up just really quick I'm going to open up a couple tabs here, and I'm going to mark up first USD JPY. I'm going to mark up USD JPY, and then I'm also going to mark up Euro USD, and also going to mark up Euro JPY. Those are my three favorite pairs. So you guys can follow along if you would like. For those of you that are completely brand new, this is not something that you have to do. This increases your odds of winning trades using the scanner. So for me, I'd like a 90% win rate with the scanner. You know, you can see anywhere from 70 to 80%, but I can get up into the 90s if I'm actually analyzing the market fully. So what I do normally, guys, I come to the market, I start off at the 4-hour chart, and then I'm looking at what's going on in the market. So I could say this with a clear conscience right now, that price right now has been moving down. It's been moving down now for about 4-8. Let's see here, how much time is left to this current 4-hour chart? About 10.5 hours, guys. Price has been moving down. Now, there's two ways we can look at this. We can say, okay, price started here. This will all be in my academy, guys. I have broken this down step by step in the academy as well that I'm building on how to do this. So if price is starting here and it's gone up, hit a resistance up here, and then now if this is creating a new support right here, this support right here, guys, is lower than this one. So technically, you could also say that this right now is in an uptrend. You could say that because of the way that it's basically structured right now, but we don't really know that until we kind of move into some of these smaller time frames. And I'm going to periodically look here to see if there's any new setups. You also add the stop. If you guys don't have the stop down timer, just refresh here quick. You guys don't have the timer down here in the bottom right hand corner, there's a little gear. You guys can click this gear. There's no trades right this second, so I can't. You guys can go to countdown to bar close, and then it'll bring up this little timer here. So there's about a minute left until new 5-minute trades are going to come out. Same on this as well. There's a little bar here for a countdown timer as well. So let's see here. So there's a resistance that happened right here that can, if you guys look at my mouse, if you guys can follow my mouse here. So follow my mouse. It went up, hit a resistance here, came down, hit a support, broke through it. Now it's came down, worked. Look at this wick right here. Look at this line right here. Literally came down, touched this previous resistance right here, guys, and respected it. And now price has not broken down past this. So that is a great, indication of where you should look for trade setups. So when I'm looking for trade setups, like I would love to see a buy, an up arrow here, guys, around this number right here, which is 132.230. If you're wondering what I'm getting these numbers, they're all the way over here on the right-hand side, 132.230. Guys, you don't have to know everything. You don't have to know all the terminologies. You don't have to know everything that I'm sharing with you guys right now. I'm giving you more of a little bit of an advanced style of what I look for tonight. Normally, you can open up the scanner, you can just take trades, but I would really like to really give you guys a little bit of all of the sauce tonight. So you guys can see here, resistance, resistance, resistance. All these candles came up into this area, right? So did these candles, but now look at it's opposite, it's flipped. Now price is coming back down into this area that resisted at one point, and now most likely is going to support off of that. Look at this, guys, USD JPY buy. I don't think we've missed it yet. So let's go over to our platform. Let's go over to USD JPY. Make sure you have 3 minutes selected here, guys. In the amount section, don't risk anything more than 2% of your account. Let's go in for a 3-minute buy right here at 132.274 or better. So if we're looking for a buy, you want to take it, at my entry point or better. Now, if you're going in for a buy, guys, better would be lower than where I got in at. So I got in at 274, which is right around where this support area is. So Pulse right now is saying going for a buy. It's a 3-point trade. So for those of you guys that don't know, 3's good, 4's great, 5's an amazing trade setup. Now, the way that this works is all we have to do is successfully predict which way we believe the market's going to move in the next couple of minutes. Doesn't matter how far. It just matters at the end of the 3 minutes where we entered in the market. Price just has to be above that. Now, today is Monday. Sometimes the market moves very, very slow on Mondays. I'm going to be doing an actual trading session tomorrow. I just wanted to kind of really quickly, guys, give you an example of how I look at the market, how I mark the charts up, how I look at the scanner while I'm looking at it, and how I'll successfully look for the market to move. Now, does it work like this every single time? No, it does not work like this every single time, guys. I still lose trades, and I still potentially could lose this trade. Right now, I'm in profit. I got in, price is in profit, but there are trades that we will lose because the market at the end of the day is going to do whatever it wants to do. But I like to at least use my odds in my favor by looking for spots in the market that support the market, that look like it's hit there a couple different times. And then I use the scanner guys to basically give me another confirmation. Say, hey, price should go up here. Price should be going up right here. But see, like I said, price did move up. Now it's kind of working its way back down a little bit. And that happens. It doesn't always move in your direction the full time. We got about a minute, 38 seconds left to this candle. I got about 55 seconds left to my trade setup. So the reason why I take 3-minute trades is because a lot of times the market will move in your direction for about 3 minutes. And then sometimes if the market's not really moving a lot, it'll kind of retrace for the last, 2 minutes, minute 30, minute, really depending on the market. But there also is times where the market will just kind of really fluctuate. And, you just got to be careful, because binary options, guys, it can be risky, but it can also be amazing. And when it works how it's supposed to work, like it is right now, guys, this is what you can expect. But if it for some reason decides to get volatile, then sometimes you can't have it. But right now we are deep in profits. Everyone should be clearing this trade right now. Go ahead, type your profits in the chat, guys. I just cleared, just made $344 in 3 minutes. And all I did really is I looked at the market, saw what it was doing, looked for some different levels of support, and then I used the scanner. Now, the reason why I took the trade was because my scanner, now the arrow is, as you guys can see, a candle behind. Now, that doesn't mean that this was the opportunity here, guys. It just means when this candle ended, so when this candle, at the end of the 5 minutes, when this candle ended, it was saying, hey, this is a 3-point trade for this next opportunity. So it's basically saying, hey, when this next candle opens, enter at the beginning, or at least enter around where the candle started. Now look, this is exactly what I was talking about. For the last couple of minutes, sometimes it'll work, it'll retrace its way back. That's why 3 minutes is so crucial. But hopefully you guys cleared that, guys. I cleared it. We got $700. We got $42. We got $70. Let's see here. We got another $70. Let's go. Anybody else clear, guys? Let's see here, guys. Anybody else clear? 272. So rhythm is not my strategy, guys. I don't actually really know how rhythm works. My specialty is pulse, and I like to use pulse. So Ness will be making an academy as well for pulse, and he will be going through that. But that's how you guys will use my scanner, pulse. I'm sorry, what was I saying? Pulse. I meant rhythm. He'll be making an academy for rhythm and helping you guys understand it. For me personally, I don't know how it works. I know that it works. I just don't know how it works. I don't know the rules, so I don't want to be calling out any trades based off of it. I know that it has a couple of things to do with like the clouds. You want to see it kind of come up some strings, things like that. But other than that, I don't really know. So yeah, guys, I mean, that right there is what you'll have access to on all of my live sessions. You'll have access to the scanners, the academies, and you guys will be able to see this basically 3-4 days a week. So guys, thank you so much for hopping on. Hopefully you guys cleared that trade with me, and hopefully you guys were able to see the AKASHX back office tour and how you guys can get started. But thank you so much for hopping on tonight, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow for my actual live trading session. You guys have a great night. Peace out.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.